welcome to Vlogmas day number 10. Oh my goodness, it's day 10. Time flies so fast. I can't believe we're already past the first week of Vlogmas. This is so crazy to me. I honestly didn't think I was gonna make it past the first week, and I'm so glad that I stuck to my schedule and I've been able to make videos in a timely manner. Today I didn't do much. We stayed home for most of the day, but I did step out to go to HomeGoods because I needed to buy some baking stuff, like some new baking trays that I needed to make cookies. I keep talking about these cookies, but I need to seriously upgrade my baking game because I need to upgrade a lot of the baking stuff that I have. I don't bake a lot. I'm even thinking about getting a stand mixer. I'm not sure which one I want yet, but yeah. Anyway, so we went to HomeGoods today. We picked up a few things. I just really quickly want to show you what I bought today. Big bag. I picked up some tissue paper only because I saw this pack of, how many are there? Hey, there's 100 sheets in this packet of gift tissue, and I'm out of gift tissue, so I bought this huge pack. Bought some more clips for the kitchen. We're constantly running out of clips. Hey, you're just being nosy. We also picked up a few doggy gifts. And I think my dog already knows what's in this bag, but it's a surprise. They're treats and gifts that we're going to give them for Christmas, but I think she already knows what's in this bag. So got some more kitchen towels, and hey, I saw this OXO steel pop container. I really like these. So you just pop it open here. You just click the button and this is what it looks like. These are really neat. It's perfect for flour. I picked up these really pretty storage bins. They have a bamboo lid. I bought these bins for the dog toys because they're all over the house and I need a place where I can store them properly for the dogs. Got more cookie cutters. I mostly got this pack because of the star shape. I wanted a 5-point star in my collection of cookie cutters. They look like toys. Just really quickly want to show you. They're not looking right now, but I picked up a few for Christmas. Making sure they don't see the toys. I picked up a pizza tray. I really like how it's black and it has like the white pebble. This is from the brand Vino. I have heard of this brand before. So just a simple pizza tray. And the biggest item that I purchased is this pack of baking sheets. It's a set of 2 and it also has that pebbled look. Except this one's gray. And I think that's it. That's all I picked up. Mostly essentials for the kitchen. What? There's no toy in there? In there. There's no toy in there. There, you done? You want? Alright, so that's it for HomeGoods haul. Right now Jamil is cooking. He's not cooking dinner. He's actually, well, he is cooking dinner, but he's cooking dinner for tomorrow so we can have that for lunch. We already had our dinner. I'm gonna have a tea, put these things away, start editing, and call it a night. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.